Welcome to the Art of Resume. Today we are going to go over your text boxes. Your resume is made up of multiple text boxes. As you can see here, we can click on each one. These text boxes can move around, so you have to be careful. And you can put it back into place by using Command Z or Control Z. They also align with your margin, so if they happen to move a little bit off, you can go to Layout, Align, make sure you're under Margin, and then Align Left. Now, to add in your information, you need to highlight the text and start typing. This will remove all old text and then add your new text with the formatting. Now you want to try to keep everything within the text box. If you have too much information, it can go inside the text box and it'll still be there. So if you hover over the little small white square, you can see all of the hidden text, which you do not want. So you'll need to remove any hidden text by highlighting and deleting. And then putting the text box back to its regular size. Again, you will need to make sure that everything fits inside the text box to make sure everything is clean and nice looking. And that is your text boxes.